Hello, Chris here with a sore throat, but I don't care. Anyway, we are here with Taco Bell. If I could open the damn box. The brand new Naked Chicken Chalupa has officially come out, and I want to try it because I just want to try it. It's a lot smaller than I expected, but it smells really good. Just like, and it's really good. Anyway, it smells really good. When I first saw the articles on this, I was like, so now they're trying to be KFC with the, what was it? The double down. But it's basically a chicken patty folded into a taco, much like their waffle taco. God, my voice sounds horrible. But let's give this a try. That's really good. I don't know what this sauce is on it, but it's got a little bit of a kick to it. That's really good. I like this. Go out and try this before it disappears. It's basically, it literally just tastes like someone took a chicken patty, said fuck the bun, and just folded it because they were bored, wanted multiple pieces of chicken in their mouth. But I like it. It's lazy as all fuck, and more than likely someone who was high on pot came up with this, but it's not bad. It's really not bad. And if you get the box, you get a Doritos taco and another regular taco. But it's really not bad. So go out and try it.